If you want to take care of your battery health in iPhone 17, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to go for the battery options right here. Then we can scroll down and click on a charging. That way we'll be able to adjust our charging limit and turn on and off optimized battery charging when the charging limit is set to 100%. So there's basically two things that you can do here. You can either change your charging limit from 80 to 100%. I recommend to put it on 80 if you really want to take care of your battery. That way your phone will only charge to 80%, but at the same time it should preserve your overall battery lifetime. And then if it's set to 100%, you can activate optimized battery charging, which will also help you maintain your battery health. And what it does, it will basically charge your phone to 100%. The only exception is it will work great when you're charging your phone on regular basis. For example, overnight, if you plug in your phone on 20 and you wake up on 7, then you can activate this option. It will basically charge your iPhone up to 80% and then charge it to 100% right before you're gonna wake up. And this should also provide you with higher battery health. But anyway, the best option would be to put it on 80% with charging limit right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.